Question number 323. In a Daniel cell constructed in the laboratory, the voltage observed was 0.9 voltage instead of 1.1 voltage of the standard cell. If possible, explanation is. The answer is option C. Zn square positive is greater than Cu square positive. Question number 324. M square positive plus 2E negative gives M. The metal has a negative reduction potential. This means the answer is option C. M is a stronger reducing agent than H. Question number 325. The standard electrode potential values of three metal electrodes X, Y, Z are 0.52, minus 303 and minus 1.18 voltage respectively. The order of reducing power of the metal is. The answer is option A. Y greater than Z, Z greater than X. Question number 326. Aluminium displaces hydrogen from acids, but copper does not. A galvanic cell is prepared by combining Cu divided by Cu square and Al divided by Al cube. Has an EMF of 2.0 voltage at 298 Kelvin. If the potential of copper electrodes is plus 0.34 voltage, that of aluminium electrode is. The answer is option D, minus 1.66 voltage. Question number 327. A smuggler could not carry gold by depositing iron on the gold surface since. The answer is option B. Gold has higher standard reduction potential than iron. Question number 328. The reaction of Zn square negative plus 2E negative gives Zn. Has a standard potential of minus 0.76 voltage. This means the answer is option C. Zn is a stronger reducing agent than H. Question number 329. The electrode potentials of three elements A, B, C are minus 237 voltage, minus 0.76 volt and plus 0.3 volt respectively. Then from the aqueous solution, the answer is option D. A displaces B and C. Question number 330. The electrode potentials of three gases are in the order Z greater than Y greater than X. Then the answer is option A. Y will oxidize X and Z. Question number 331. Rust which is formed on iron exposed to moist air is hydrated ferric oxide. The first step in the formation of the rust is an electrochemical process whose product is. The answer is option B. Ferrous hydroxide. Question number 332. Corrosion of iron can be prevented by coating the surface by. The answer is option D. Any of these. Question number 333. Aluminium is more reactive than iron, but aluminium is less easily corroded than iron because. The answer is option B. Oxygen forms a protective oxide layer on aluminium. Question number 334. In hydrogen oxygen fuel cell, combustion of hydrogen occurs to. The answer is option D. Create potential difference between the two electrodes. Question number 335. The standard EMF of a cell involving one electron change is found to be 0.591 voltage at 225 degrees Celsius. The equilibrium constant of the reaction of F equals 96,500 C mol R equals 8.314 joule Kelvin per mole. The answer is option C. 1.0 into 10 power 10. Question number 336. In a cell that utilizes the reaction Zn plus 2H positive gives Zn2 positive plus H2. Addition of H2SO4 to cathode compartment will. The answer is option C, increases the E and shift equilibrium to right. Question number 350. Metal M1 displaces metals M2 and M3. Metal M4 displaces metal M1. Metal M3 displaces hydrogen from acids but M2 does not. The increasing order of electrode potential is, the answer is option B. EM4 is less than EM1, less than EM3, less than EM2. Question number 351. The standard electrode potential of four electrodes A, B, C and D are respectively are minus 1.06 V, 0.12 V, 0.56 V and minus 0.22 V. The order of their deposition on electrolysis is, the answer is option B, C, B, D, A. Question number 352. The standard electrode potentials of four metals P, Q, R and S are 0.5 voltage, minus 0.44 voltage, minus 2.8 voltage and 0.8 volt respectively. The decreasing order of reducing power is, the answer is option D, R less than Q less than P less than S. Question number 353. At constant temperature, the pressure of a given mass of gas occupying 330 cm3 was increased by 10%. The final volume is, the answer is option E, 300 cm3. Question number 354. If the pressure and absolute temperature of 2 liters of carbon dioxide gas are doubled, the volume of carbon dioxide would be, the answer is option A, 2 liters. Question number 355. The average Ke of the molecules of different gases maintained at the same temperature and pressure is, the answer is option A, the same. Question number 356. If a mixture containing 3 moles of hydrogen and 1 mole of nitrogen is converted completely into ammonia, the ratio of initial and final volumes of the mixture at the same temperature and pressure would be, the answer is option D, 2:1. Question number 357. Equal masses of CH4 and H2 are mixed in an empty chamber. The partial pressure of hydrogen in the chamber expressed as fraction of total pressure is, the answer is option D, 8/9. Question number 358. 1 mole of N2Q4 gram at 300 Kelvin is kept in a closed container under 1 atmosphere. It is heated to 600 Kelvin when 20% by mass of N2O4 decomposes to NO2. The resultant pressure is, the answer is option B, 2.4 atmospheric pressure. Question number 359. Equal masses of oxygen and sulfur dioxide are mixed in an empty chamber at 25 degrees Celsius. The fraction of the total pressure exerted by oxygen is, the answer is option A, 2/3. Question number 360. At what temperature will the RMS velocity of SO2 be the same as that of O2 at 303 Kelvin? The answer is option D, 606 Kelvin. Question number 361. The average speed of an ideal gas molecules at 27 degrees Celsius is 0.3 meter second. The average speed at 927 degrees Celsius will be, the answer is option A, 0.6 meter per second. Question number 362. The ratio of root mean square velocity to average velocity of a gas molecule at a particular temperature is, the answer is option A, 1.086:1. Question number 363. Which one of the following gases has the highest value of RMS velocity at 298 K? The answer is option A, CH4. Question number 364. X ml of H2 gas effuses through the hole in a container in 5 seconds. The time taken for the effusion of the same volume of the gas specified below under identical condition is. The answer is option B, 20 seconds is to O2. Question number 365. The ratio of the rates of diffusion of He and SO2 is. The answer is option A, 4 by 1. Question number 366. The rate of diffusion of SO2 and O2 under identical condition is in the ratio. The answer is option A, 1 is to root 2. Question number 367. An ideal gas is one which obeys. The answer is option A, all the gas laws at all temperature and pressure. Question number 368. Gases deviate from ideal behavior because the molecules. The answer is option D, have definite volume and exert intermolecular attraction. Question number 369. A real gas tends to behave more ideally at. The answer is option D, high temperature and low pressure. Question number 370. The gas which is expected to deviate most from ideal behavior is. The answer is option D, NH3. Question number 371. For which of the following PV value is less than RT at room temperature and at low pressure? The answer is option C, CO2. Question number 372. The compressibility factor for an ideal gas is. The answer is option B, 1.0. Question number 373. For most of the gases, the value of compressibility factor at low temperature and pressure is. The answer is option B, less than 1. Question number 374. The temperature at which real gases obey ideal gas laws over a wide range of pressure is called. The answer is option B, boil temperature. Question number 375. Van der Waals equations for n moles of gas is. The answer is option B, P plus n square A divided by V square into V minus NB equals nRT. Question number 376. The units of Van der Waals constant A is. The answer is option D, atmosphere L2 into mole square. Question number 379. If the temperature of a given mass of a gas is increased by 20% at constant pressure, the percentage increases in the volume is. The answer is option A, 20%. Question number 380. For which gas the value of Van der Waals constant the least? The answer is option B, N2. Question number 381. The compressibility factor for an ideal gas for CO2 and for H2 at room temperature are respectively. The answer is option B, 1, less than 1, greater than 1. Question number 382. Contain A and B contain same gas but the temperature, pressure and volume of the gas in the second vessel is double the values found in the first vessel. The ratio of the number of molecules in the vessels A and B is. The answer is option B, 2:1. Question number 383. Under which condition the density of a gas is minimum? The answer is option D, 100 degrees Celsius, 0.5 atmospheric pressure. Question number 384. If P is the pressure and D is the density of a gas, then P and D are related as. The answer is option A, P is directly proportional to D. Question number 385. A gas obeying the equation PV equals RT can. The answer is option C, never be liquefied under any condition. Question number 386. In deriving van der Waals equations, the pressure exerted by a real gas is taken as less than the ideal gas pressure because the answer is option C. Of the intermolecules forces of attraction found in real gases. Question number 387. A container contains a mixture of SO2 and SO3. The ratio of the kinetic energies of the two gases is, the answer is option C, 1:1. Question number 388. If C is the average velocity of a gas molecules at 27 degrees Celsius, the average velocity at 327 degrees Celsius is, the answer is option B, root 2 degrees Celsius. Question number 389. As the temperature is raised from 20 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, the average kinetic energy of a gas changes by a factor. The answer is option C, 313 divided by 293. Question number 390. A bottle contains equimolar proportion of oxygen and sulfur dioxide. The bottle is fitted with a stopper which is leaky. The composition of a mixture effusing out through the leak is in the ratio. The answer is option C, root 2:2. Question number 391. 64 gram of oxygen and 16 gram of methane are placed in a 2.24 diameter flask at 546 Kelvin. The pressure is, the answer is option B, 60 into 10 power 5 Pascal. Question number 392. Molecular mass of a gas that diffuses 2 times as fast as SO2 at a given temperature is, the answer is option A, 16. Question number 393. Inert gases except helium belongs to, the answer is option B, P block. Question number 394. All non-metals are placed in the answer is option B, P block. Question number 395. Elements with completely filled d orbitals are found in, the answer is option B, P block. Question number 396. An element with atomic number 21 is a, the answer is option C, transition element. Question number 397. General electronic configuration of 11th group element is, the answer is option B, n-1 into d power 10 into ns1. Question number 398. Which of the following is not a periodic property? The answer is option C, mass number. Question number 399. Which configuration indicates an element with the largest atomic size? The answer is option A, Na into 3s square. Question number 400. Which one of the following species has the largest atomic radius? The answer is option A, Na.